Come on. Just come down one then. Not this. Yeah, you like that. Come here. Come down one. Come on, come down one step. Come here. I won't let you fall. Come on, one step. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, just down one
It's
step.
not much bigger than outside, and she can do that.
She can do it, she's just scared because she thinks she'll fall.
Right, if I block this in then, see if that makes her happier.
Come on. Come on. She can jump down off the sofa, which is a bigger thing, but it's like got a big platform.
Yeah.
She's scared of falling.
Come on, Miss Cat. Come on. Come on.
She knows she wants it.
Here. Here. Come on. Oh.
She won't bite you. She just thought you still have the smoke off, so she'll lick you. Yeah, now come here. Come here. Come here. Should I pick her up and put her down one?
Yeah. Lady.